Welcome to Citrus is Dope, where we like to learn, grow, and be inspired by nature and its wonders. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own tinctures right from the comfort of your home using everyday items. It's easier than you think, and the benefits are just too good to pass up. First, let's talk about what a tincture actually is. A tincture is essentially a concentrated extract made by soaking herbs, spices, or fruit in alcohol or vinegar. They're super useful for everything from flavoring cocktails to providing herbal remedies. Now, how do you make one? You'll need just a few things. Your ingredient of choice, a high-proof alcohol like vodka, or a non-alcoholic substitute like apple cider vinegar, and a clean jar with a tight-fitting lid. Let's start with a popular one, a ginger tincture. Here's what you do. Take about a cup of fresh ginger, slice it up, and pop it into your jar. Then pour enough vodka over it to cover the ginger completely. Seal the jar and let it sit in a cool, dark place for about 2 to 3 weeks. Shake the jar every couple of days to mix things up a bit. After the waiting period, strain out the ginger pieces, and voila! You've got yourself a homemade ginger tincture, perfect for adding a spicy kick to beverages or even for a little digestive aid. Now, a quick word of caution. If you're using fresh plants or herbs, make sure they haven't been treated with pesticides or other chemicals. And if you have allergies, be extra careful about the ingredients you choose. Another easy tincture to try is chamomile. It's great for relaxation. Just follow the same steps as the ginger, but with dried chamomile flowers instead. This one's especially good in teas or drizzled over desserts for a hint of sweetness and calm. So what can you do with these tinctures? The possibilities are pretty broad. Add them to teas, desserts, salad dressings, or even use them as natural remedies. For instance, a mint tincture can be great for a stomachache or to freshen up your breath. Creating tinctures is not just a fun DIY project. It's a powerful way to harness the natural benefits of plants and spices. Whether you're looking to add a burst of flavor to your cooking or seeking a natural remedy, tinctures are a fantastic and simple solution. I hope you're as excited as I am to try out this simple yet rewarding project. Remember, the key is to experiment. Try different combinations and find what works best for you. Happy tincturing! Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more easy DIYs and health tips. See you next time!